Hello everyone. We're going to take and try to remake our floral soap. This time I'm going to be a little bit more careful with my glitter. So we'll start now. I put it in these little bendable trays so it just doesn't go all over. And flip this. Hope you can see it. Okay, we're going to go real light on the black. We're going to be scenting it in Love Spell, so I was going to do purple and silver, but I do have a few specks of black stuck in my flowers from trying to get it out last time. I'm wondering, I think I'm going to put a little bit of just white in between so it all gets filled in. I think it's covered. Okay, probably got my head in there sticking up. So we're going to go ahead and clean our sides. Get this open. And just take a paper towel with some rubbing alcohol and get most of it cleaned up there. Maybe a little bit, but we've got the majority of it. And now we're going to take and melt a clear over the top here. Okay, we'll just pour a thin layer. Trying to keep it in place. The mold has so many different dimensions. There's a few places that are sticking up really high. I think I got it good enough, so we're going to go ahead and spritz it. And then we're going to come back with a layer of purple. Okay, our soap has cooled off a little bit and this seems to be hard. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pour it slow. Make sure it covers everything. Sometimes this mold bulges at the side, so it's like you want to kind of put something around it on both sides. I'm going to check and see how it does, and we might have to put it in something. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and spritz it. We're going to let this firm up, and then we'll come back with our next layer. Okay, our purple is firmed up, so I'm going to go ahead and spritz it good. Let me get my black, one more stir here. And we're going to just pour a thin line of black. I shouldn't have lifted that away because it'll probably run down the side in there. We're going to give this a spritz. We'll let it set up and we'll be back with our final layer of purple. Okay, now we're ready for our final layer of purple. Love this color, it's so glittery, sparkly. Okay, we're going to go ahead and spritz it, and we'll be back when it's hardened up and ready to cut. I'm going to put this here just to hold it in. Okay, our soap is done, so we're going to go ahead and unmold it. And I'm much happier with this one. I'm going to go ahead and, well, I'm going to put it this way. It's, I made marks on here so I know where to cut it. And this one was in Love Spell. So it smells just like it. So there we go. Let's make sure you can see it. It looks a little dark from there, but it's really pretty. Okay, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.